Hello students, I am Dr. Sandeep today going to deliver a lecture on environmental awareness chapter 4, and from the chapter 4 we will discuss about the ecosystem and biodiversity services. Basically, ecosystem and biodiversity services are living organisms cannot be isolated from their non-living environment because they later provide materials and energy to the living organisms. Basically, ecosystem is therefore defined as a natural functional ecological unit comprising of living organisms, which means plants, animals, species, and microorganisms are the part of natural functional ecological unit, and they are comprising living organisms and their own non-living environment that interact for to form a sustainable and stable self-supporting system. Basically, the ecosystem and biodiversity services have a basic values. They have a specific uh, value for human being, for living organisms. These values are basically categorized into two categories: direct values, and that is must be a indirect values. That is not direct, that is indirect values. The direct values categorize into two categories: consumptive use values and productive use values. And that part of value of biodiversity are categorized in social and cultural values, ethical values, aesthetic values, option values, and environment service values. Let's look have a discussion on one by one the values and the biodiversity, the main values of biodiversity. The biodiversity is the most precious gift of nature mankind is blessed with, as all the organisms in an ecosystem are interlinked and interdependent. The value of biodiversity in the life of all organisms, including humans, is enormous. The role of biodiversity in providing ecosystem services is twofold. Firstly, biodiversity is directly used as a source for food, fiber, fuel, and other extractable resources. Secondly, biodiversity plays an important role in ecosystem processes, providing the regulating, cultural, and supporting services. For example, over vegetation cover protects the soil from erosion by binding soil particles and minimizing the effects of water runoff. Likewise, cultivation of crops is to a large extent dependent on the availability of pollinating insects. Biodiversity has a fundamental value to humans because we are so dependent on it for our cultural, economic, and environmental well being. Elements of biodiversity can be contribute to cultural identity, and many ecosystem characteristics are frequently incorporated into cultural traditions. Other facts of human well being, such as health and economic and political security, can influence the value of biodiversity. Many arguments to increase efforts to conserve diversity often emphasize the value of the unmined riches that has yet to be discovered. This includes potential sources of new foods, medicines, and energy which can further fuel economic activities as well as a healthier population. Biodiversity has proven to hold enormous value when adapted for use in health, agricultural, and industrial applications. In the field of medicine alone, approximately 50% of current prescription medicines are derived from or molded on natural substances. The health and diversity of ecosystem can have a significant effect on the overall stability of nearby communities. Basically, the main values of biodiversity are classified into various categories. The first one category, that is environmental values. The environmental value of biodiversity can be found by examining each ecosystem process and identifying the ecosystem services that results. Then the second one, main value of biodiversity is associated with the society. Therefore, the second one value is social value. Third one, ecosystem services. Fourth one, economic value. Fifth one, consumptive use of value. Then sixth, productive use value. Then ethical and more value. And the last one, aesthetic value. Okay, let's have a look towards the first one, main value of biodiversity, that is environmental value. The environmental value, for instance, in wetlands, the vegetation captures water carried sediments and the soil organisms break down a range of nutrients and pollutants washed into this area. These processes provide the ecosystem service of purifying water. Wetlands also act as a spawning and nursery grounds for some fish and provide a refuge for animals in times of drought. Some ecosystem services are easy to overlook until the underlying process is impaired. For instance, dryland salinity has emerged as a problem following sustained clearance of deep-rooted perennial plants over wide areas. Water tables have raised carrying dissolved salt which then concentrate in the soil. Forests regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in the air by releasing oxygen as a byproduct during photosynthesis and control rainfall and soil erosion. That is the environmental value of biodiversity. Then the next value of biodiversity is a social value. Basically, the social value of biodiversity includes aesthetic, recreational, cultural, and spiritual value. To be can be added health benefits resulting from recreational and other activities. While traditional societies which had a small population and required less resources had preserved their biodiversity as a life supporting resources. Modern man has rapidly depleted it even to the extent of leading to the irreversible loss due to the extinction of several species. Thus, apart from the local use or scale of products of biodiversity, there is a social aspect in which more and more resources are used by affluent societies. The biodiversity has to a great extent been preserved by traditional societies that valued it as a resources and appreciated that its depletion would be a great loss to their society. There can be marked differences in landscapes and biodiversity preferences according to the age, socio-economic factors, and cultural influences. The lifestyle of the ancient people was closely interwoven with their surroundings. The life of the indigenous people in many parts of the world still revolve around the forest and environment. Even in these modern times, many of them still live in the forest, meet their daily requirement from their surroundings. The biodiversity in different parts of the world has been largely preserved by the traditional societies. Since the indigenous people always protect the protest of forest for their own benefit. In ancient times, especially in India, the environment in totally, that is flora, fauna, etc., were held in high esteem. Tree like people, banyan, and tulsi are still worshipped. Ladies offering water to tulsi daily is considered good, and there are festivals when ladies tie scared threads around people and banyan trees and pray for their welfare of their families. That is the social value of biodiversity. Then the third one value of biodiversity, that is ecosystem services. Ecosystem services are include the production of oxygen by land-based plants and marine algae. That is also provide a services the maintenance of fresh water quality by vegetation slowing runoff, trapping sediment and removing nutrients, and by soil organism breaking down pollutants. The production and maintenance of fertile soil as a result of many interactive processes. The provision of food such as fish, pastures for cattle and sheep, timber, firewood, and harvested wildlife such as congress and native cut flowers are the products provision of foods for the living organism. The provision of native species and genes used in industry research and development. For instance, in traditional breeding and biotechnology applications in agriculture, forestry, horticulture, mariculture, pharmacy, chemicals production, and bioremediation. Pollination of agricultural crops, forest trees, and native flowering plants by native insects, birds, and other creatures. These are the ecosystem services provided by biodiversity to the human being. Then the next thing, that is economic value. Economic value, that is the major fuel sources of worldwide, including wood and fossil fuels, have their origin due to the biodiversity. It is the source of food for animals and human beings. Many important chemicals have their origin from the diverse flora and fauna used in various industries. Diverse groups of animals are used for medical research during the testing of new drugs. That is the economic value of biodiversity. Then the next one thing, that is consumptive use value. This is related to the natural products that are used directly for food, fodder, timber, fuel wood, etc. Humans use at least 40,000 species of plants and animals on a daily basis. Many people around the world still depend on wild species for most of their needs like food, shelter, and clothing. The tribal people are completely dependent on the forest for their daily needs. Then the next one, new value of biodiversity, that is productive use value. This is assigned to products that are commercially harvested and marketed. Almost all the present day agricultural crops have originated from wild varieties. The biotechnologists continuously use the wild species of plants for developing new, better yielding and disease resistant varieties. Biodiversity represents the original stock from which new varieties are being developed. Then the next one, value of biodiversity, that is ethical and moral values. It is based on the principle of live and let live others live. Ethical value related to the biodiversity conservation are based on the importance of protecting all forms of living organisms. All forms of life have the right to exist on earth. Man is only a small part of earth's great family of species. Plants and animals have an equal right to live and exist on our planet. Morality and ethics teaches us to preserve all forms of life and not to harm any organism unnecessarily. Some people take pleasure in the hunting of animals. People also sometimes degrade the pollutants. Pollutants degrade the pollute and environment by their unethical actions. Through proper education and awareness, the people's conscience against such practices must be raised. And the last one, biodiversity value, that is aesthetic value. The beauty of our planet is because of biodiversity, which otherwise would have resembled other barren planets dotted around the universe. Biologic diversity adds to the quality of life and provides some of the most beautiful aspects of our extinction. Biodiversity is responsible for the beauty of landscape. People go far of places to enjoy the natural surroundings and wildlife. This type of tourism is referred to as a ecotourism, which has now become a major source of income in many countries. In many societies, the diversity of flora and fauna has become a part of the traditions and cultural culture of the regions and has added to the aesthetic value of the specific place. These are the certain values of biodiversity. Thank you.